If you are looking for the best electric guitar kit for beginners, we have selected the 3 best options for you in terms of quality and features. These electric guitar kits are ideal for beginners looking to start their musical journey with quality instruments. Whether you are looking for a complete set with accessories, an ergonomic design, or an interactive learning experience, these products offer options suited to various needs and skill levels. We will present them to you right now to help you make your decision and order the product that best meets your needs. Of course, you will be able to find each of them at the best price in the description. Let's start with the presentation of the RockJam Sunbird Electric Guitar Kit. The RockJam Electric Guitar Kit is a complete set that includes a full-size electric guitar with a basswood body, 3 single-coil pickups, a 10-watt guitar amplifier, lessons, a strap, a gig bag, picks, lead strings, and spare strings. The guitar itself features an ergonomic design with a remarkable glossy finish. The 10-watt amplifier has tone and gain controls, as well as a headphone output for private practice. The kit also comes with a carrying case, a strap, and other accessories. Let's move on to the main advantages. Advantage number 1, a complete set with an electric guitar, amplifier, and accessories. You can start your adventure with a guitar right now. Advantage number 2, ergonomic design and glossy finish. The design is very pleasing to the eye and has a very nice glossy finish. Advantage number 3, a 10-watt amplifier with a headphone output for silent practice. Now let's move on to the one and only drawback that we found. The tremolo arm requires unlocking before use, which can be somewhat tedious for certain applications. So, ready to start your musical adventure? Discover this exceptional kit at the best price in the description. Now let's move on to the second product presented here, the Sunburn Electric Guitar Pack. This pack includes a full-size 30-inch electric guitar with a solid basswood body, a Canadian maple neck, an ebony fingerboard, Salson pickups, a single-direction tremolo, a mini 3-volt guitar amplifier, a gig bag, a strap, a capo, strings, a clip-on digital tuner, a cable, and picks. The guitar is equipped with a pickup selector, a volume knob, and 2 different tone knobs. Let's recap the advantages. Advantage number 1, it is a complete set with a full-size guitar and all the necessary accessories. Advantage number 2, quality construction with a solid basswood body and a Canadian maple neck. Advantage number 3, a 3-watt amplifier included for immediate practice. Now let's move on to the drawback we found. The 3-watt amplifier may not be sufficient for group performances, but despite this drawback, don't hesitate to start playing right now with this complete electric guitar pack. Click on the second link in the description to discover it at the best price. Finally, let's move on to the last product presented in this video, the GigKit Sunburst Electric Guitar Max Pack. This pack includes a Stratocaster model electric guitar, a 40-watt amplifier, a case, picks, and a digital tuner. The guitar is suitable for beginners from the age of 10, offering an authentic sound thanks to its 3 pickups. The pack also includes practical accessories such as a learning app, a vibrato arm, a digital tuner, picks, and a carrying case. Now let's recap the advantages of this pack. It is a complete pack ideal for beginners with a guitar, amplifier, and accessories. The second advantage is that it is a quality guitar with a Stratocaster design and 3 pickups for versatile sound. Finally, the last advantage is the application to facilitate the introduction to electric guitar. Finally, regarding the drawback we found, the vibrato arm may require some skill for optimal use, which may not be obvious for beginners. So, ready to dive into the world of electric guitar? Click on the last link in the description to take advantage of this mega kit at the best price. In conclusion, whether you are a beginner or an enthusiast, these electric guitar kits offer complete options to start your musical journey. Click on the link in the description to find the ideal kit at the best price and start playing.